Hello, I'm Brad Hutchings with Demo Machine. I want to do a quick demonstration for you of our Demos app and our AI starting point. We're doing this on a clean virtual machine that I'm running on my laptop. That's what you see on your screen right now. Let me launch the Demos app. In the Demos app, you can see that we have a demo name, AIAIO. That's the name of my internet game show. Let me show you some properties about it, some settings. It's Linux. We give it 15 gigs and 6 CPUs. Its hostname is AIAIO. Our username is Linux. There's our password. We do have RDP. We open RDP on stop. We stop on close the RDP window. We actually roll back on close the RDP window to a snapshot that we've previously taken. Our desktop width is 600. Our desktop height is 1,000. I'm going to start this demo. Now, I'm not going to speed this up for you. It only takes about a minute. What I want to tell you is the experience of launching a demo is airtight. I've made this experience easy. My mom could use this. What we're doing right now is we're launching a demo, a virtual machine, if you will, that has PrivateGPT installed inside of it. And PrivateGPT is an open source project that brings the world of GPTs onto your computer. Well, we're doing this inside a virtual machine, so it's not contaminating our computer. We're doing this privately so that whatever you type into the chat window doesn't go anywhere. Either your queries or the results. Let's make this full screen inside this window. I have a couple of these things I want to do for you just to show you how the chat works. First one is we're going to have it make up a story about a YouTube game show where contestants read stories written by AI and a smart aleck host keeps the show moving along, very much like my show AIAIO. And you can see that Mistral 7B Instruct is actually going to come up with a pretty good story here. Give it a moment. It's got a theme show. It's got the smarmy host. That would be me. I'm probably not wearing a flashy suit, but one day. I am working on looking into the camera. That is true. I'm going to let this play along, and you can see it writes a pretty good script. I might think of using this for my own show. It's not terrible. Now, my first show was actually about Paul Bunyan and Eeyore. He had traded the Blue Ox Babe in for Eeyore from Winnie the Pooh. Anyway, they went to the Oakland Coliseum and they helped the Oakland A's solve a bathroom catastrophe. That was one of the things that I had a contestant read. Now here they have some different stories. The end theme song, silly and catchy with the lyrics, "Another day, another tale, in the world of AI will never fail." It spun a great story. Let me clear this. I'd like to have it spin another story for me. Devin's been in the news. Devin is this AI that purportedly can place a software engineer, and people are starting to get a little bit skeptical. One prominent YouTuber called it out as absolutely fake today. So I just figured, all right, I'm going to pose as the AI software developer who made Devin. And people have discovered that we're a fraud. Everybody knew they were a fraud. It was insane and ridiculous. I don't know what their fraud was. I don't know what their point was. They're not replacing software engineers. Not happening. Now I need to bury some bodies. Where's a good place to bury 3 bodies? Oh, the joys of being an AI developer. When your creation turns out to be a divine deception, it's time for some old-fashioned problem-solving I see. 3 bodies? I'd suggest the IT department's server room. It's dark, cool, and has a delightful, musty smell of old cables. Plus, no one ever goes there unless they're trying to fix a critical issue, so it's the perfect cover. Just remember, when burying digital bodies, always use a secure, encrypted, and well-documented gravesite. Now, we weren't talking about digital bodies here. I was thinking he's probably got to bury some real bodies. You never know when an auditor might come snooping around. Devin who? Bury the lies. IT department of the dead. AI is a smart assistant, but not a smart cover-up artist. That is true. But he gave me some ideas. Look, here's what I want to show you. We have a very, very nice interface for a private AI. Perhaps you have some AI ideas that you want to roll out to your customers. We can work with you to make it beautiful and make it private. Drop me an email, brad@demomachine.net. It's been Brad Hutchings for Demo Machine. Later on.